Fans react to Dr. Khumalo's praise of Orlando Pirates trio over Sundown Stars. Bafana Bafana legend Dr. Khumalo recently praised the growing influence of Orlando Pirates players in the national team, specifically Sipho Chaine, Talente Mbata, and Lobohile Mofokeng. Khumalo's remarks came after South Africa's 3-2 victory over South Sudan in a Group K Africa Cup of Nations qualifier at Juba Stadium, where Mbata and Mofokeng made a significant impact after coming on as substitutes. Mbata even netted a crucial late goal to secure the win. Khumalo's comments sparked a lively debate among fans, with some agreeing that the Pirates players are currently in better form due to their involvement in more competitive games. In contrast, Mamelodi Sundowns players, who have traditionally dominated Bafana Bafana selections, have been less active lately due to their off-season. On social media, reactions were mixed. One fan echoed Khumalo's sentiment, saying, "I believe the most informed players should be used in the national team, not players who are picked based on past loyalty or reputation. Sundowns players are still on vacation, but they are being selected because of what they've done in the past." Bafana's midfield should have been made up of Patrick Maswangai, Talente Mbata, Monapule Saleng, and Lobihile Mofokeng, with Tsakgofatso Mabasa coming on in the second half. If that had happened, we'd be singing a different tune. Another fan defended Khumalo's perspective, stating Khumalo is just thinking outside the box. Most of the matchfield players are from Pirates, but let's not forget how important Sundowns players were during the 2023 AFCON, where Bafana Bafana finished third. They were key to the team's style of play. Not all fans agreed with Khumalo's analysis. One commenter wrote, "We need to rely on South African players, no matter which club they come from." Another critic was more blunt, stating, "I respect Khumalo as a player, but when it comes to analysis, he is fumbling." As the debate continues, it's clear that Bafana Bafana squad selection will remain a hot topic, with many calling for form and fitness to be the key criteria rather than historical performance or club loyalty. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.